Happy Labor Day weekend and welcome to the flash sale. Let's scroll through and see what's on sale for the weekend that maybe is something you're interested in. The sale goes right now through Monday evening and it'll be about midnight our time. But I wanted to point out a few things that this right here, perfectly incredible, was a sticker on one of the sticker sheets in one of the kits, and we made it into a stamp set since close to my heart had so many people interested. So I figured I'd share that with you, that it's exclusive just for the sale. But look at our essentials. We have White Daisy cardstock, and if you have our 6x8 albums, you're going to love the fact that the page protectors, all three sizes or designs, are on sale. The Stars Cluster Thin Cuts is really adorable. It's a nice size. Many of you have seen me use the Slim Alphabet Thin Cuts, so we have a nice savings here on the alphabet as well as the numbers. The silver foil paper, by the way, if you want to check it out, this is something where you can actually use our oxide inks on it too. So take advantage of that. And it is retired, so there's $3 off there. Then you also have some other stamp sets, a white post-bound album. We also have some of our pocket protectors. I have to tell you, this sapphire glitter paper is just gorgeous in person. If you like to use blue, blue and gold, or blue and silver for the holidays, this is definitely something to have in your arsenal. So let's go back and just scroll through. Eat, Play, Love. I have a great workshop kit on that. If you'd like the details, let me know. I can send you the link to the artwork. We have shimmer trim in silver. Flip flaps, 4x6 flip flaps right here. This is a great program, great product to use on our pages. Strap side load. So if you are a person that use the Creative Memory strap hinge albums, these are our page protectors for that album that are on sale. At the Beach stamp set, some really great other products with accessories, embellishments. That's a really nice tote bag. I have this tote bag and I love using it. It holds quite a bit. That gold embellishing thread is retired, so definitely grab some of those. We use them on cards a lot, so think about that. If you're going to Disney, I do have a workshop kit, pages using the Happiest Place paper, the shapes, the thin cuts. So if that's of interest to you, send me an email and I'll, show you the artwork so you can see if that's something you want. Gold glitter gems, stitch square frame thin cuts. I love the 4x4 mini album, so that bluebell. Candy apple shimmer trim. The layered flower thin cuts is a great program too. Look at that, $33.95, reduced from $45. If you have if you need help with color and coordination, the Love of Color books are excellent for you. The cardstock convol coated cardstock is really beautiful. So think about that. It has a color coding to it. So that's at $26, reduced from $34.95. So definitely check it out. And the 12 by 12 paper envelopes to hold some of your stash, papers, or projects are a nice add-on for a necessity of something that you may need. So when you look through and scroll through everything, you can see we have silver gems, the watercolor paints, simple serif lowercase and uppercase thin cuts, lots of stamps. The 5x6 block, that's a nice savings right now. And remember, if you're a VIP, you earn 15% credit on all your purchases. There we have our gnomes, some shimmer brushes, also some embossing folders, Carolina cardstock because that's being retired. You won't see that anymore. So just scroll through, look through all the items, vellum paper, bluebird shimmer brush, scarlet shimmer brush, and check it all out. The paper crafting tool, that's a great tool for helping you unstick some of your paper. I use it quite a bit when I have that issue. The Saddle Brown D-Ring album is a great basic thing to hold some of your pre-done pages. So as you go through it all, you'll see there's over 100 items on sale here. And just check it out on my website at lynncomo.closetomyheart.com. Have a great weekend.